How to change password on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the See More in Account Center option you see there and then tap on the Password and Security option under Account Settings. Here you will see the option for Change Password. Tap on that, and with this you will be required to enter your current password firstly. So enter your current password and then enter your new password and then retype your new password. Make sure that your new password must include 6 characters and will also need to include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you have entered your password, if you want to log out of other devices, then you can tap on the Log Out of Other Devices checkbox you see there. Finally, tap on the Change Password option you see there, and with this, your password will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change password on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.